envelope with our name on it.
Look at our room. It's nice.
It's just like
Fabulous.
It's like the one I had to enjoy. Do you know I can afford this?
Yeah.
I never paid for a hotel when I was going to enjoy it.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Cup of tea, please.
It's a fantastic room. We have everything. You have coffee machine, dining.
I'll sit over here.
There's a couch. Wonderful.
How do you like it? Do you like it?
Look at the bathroom, the sink. There's kind of, look at this shower room, condiments. There's a toilet area. That's it. This was a wonderful room.
Hotel, so you didn't
Yeah,
have
I
it.
know. I saw that. It's gone on there.
I did that to Wendy. She's never forgiven me. Remember that story?
Yeah.
Ah, ja havia bastat? Ah, molt bé. Fa gaire a l'estiu, aquest estiu? Sí. Ah, no ens vam veure, jo estava per aquí.
Muna siyang night time sa lugar na diri sa Canal sa Spain. It's nighttime area. It's nice. Muna ilang flowers sa kagubatan. Paganda yan. Ang side na mo sa view sa room. Yan, I'm going home. Magta-travel na naman kami. Going to the road, going to the France. Yan, day 4 na namo. Day 4 na namo sa ano. Mani ang ano dito. Yan. Day 4 na namo. Paalis na naman kami. Magandang gabi. Magandang umaga pala. Bye-bye room. Bye-bye room. Hello, good morning. Mag-bye-bye muna ako dito sa among room for last night. Mauni among room last night. Kalat na kasi tinulugan na namin. Ito yung libre coffee and tea. And then mauni ang outside sa among room. Ayan. Ni ang among room. Malaki siya, diba? Ang space niya, pwede tayong mag-football dito. Ito naman yung kung ni among room last night, Monsini. Mount Sinai. Tapos mauni siya ang outside niya sa among room. Look at that. Nice, na? Mauni siya ang outside sa among room. Tapos may ano pa. Ang ganda. Ayan siya. Tapos may ibang mga room dito. May ibang pangalan. So, mag-tour muna tayo sa labas ng room. Ano siya? Ang ilang mga collection. Tapos ito yung reading area. Tapos muna ang labas ng view. May swimming pool doon. Ayan, ang dining area kapag maraming tao. So, fish pa yata yun doon. So, we are in the forest. Ayan. Ganda, diba?